If your washing machine drain pump is running continuously, you may qualify for free repair by a certified technician. If you own one of the models listed here and have a serial number between the ranges listed here with the F3E1 error code, then you qualify for free repair. Here is how to check if you have the F3E1 error code. Rotate the knob a few times counterclockwise to clear the inputs. Then rotate 3 clicks clockwise, followed by 1 click counterclockwise, and 1 more click clockwise. If performed correctly, all lights should illuminate and flash. Rotate 1 more click clockwise. The cycle complete light should be illuminated. Push the start button to retrieve fault codes. The codes are displayed in binary. It will first display the F code indicated by the sensing light being illuminated, followed by the E code. The F3E1 error code will illuminate the sensing, final spin, and cycle complete lights for the F code, followed by the cycle complete light being illuminated by itself. There may be other codes saved, so if you don't see it at first, rotate the knob to advance to the next saved fault. If you qualify, hurry up and contact Whirlpool because the free service is only valid until the end of 2025. Subscribe for more tips.